Hello, and welcome to Consulting First, where hidden truths find their voice and complex challenges find their solutions.
We are a team of passionate consultants dedicated to addressing the issues of modern society, relationships, marriage, and even the unspoken topics like intimacy.
We approach these subjects with respect, professionalism, and a touch of boldness because we believe every question deserves an honest answer.
Whether you're here to understand, to heal, or simply to explore what's often left unsaid, know this: you've come to the right place.
Together, we'll turn your questions into clarity, your doubts into confidence, and your silences into meaningful conversations.
Because talking is already the first step toward change.
And understanding is the key to everything.
So stay with us.
Subscribe and join a community that dares to ask the right questions and find the answers that truly matter.
So, welcome to your space for reflection and transformation. Welcome once again to Consulting First, where your questions find their answers, and remember, after every challenge, there is an opportunity. So, what do we say together?
Dare, understand, transform. Yes!